So this is a megabus, Van Hool double decker, DD001. That's the bus number. And here's the front, side, back, and the other side for the door side. Now this is a megabus Coach USA. Now, difference with why is a megabus Coach USA? Now megabus is owned by different companies. So megabus. Coach USA owns Megabus, and Coach USA, Megabus is also with DACO. So, DACO, they took a little, fund or something like that, and they did it. So, that's how it's all these other companies helped to join to Megabus, and that's why it's so big. Most of them say Coach USA, some say DACO, some say other companies, I'm not sure. So this is a bus that does Chicago, Cleveland, some of them all, Columbus, all the Milwaukee, St. Louis, some express from $1 plus 50 cents restoration free bus service. So here it is, and then here's the back, has a website, and has the bus number right there, DD001. Now, not all of them are 181 or something like that, like I said in the previous video. Some are, like Coach USA, have so many buses, and Megabus have so many buses that they have to call them by DD001, some of them with letters, because there's so many of them. So, this is they don't just have double-decker buses, Megabus has, they do have regular coaches, So, Coach USA owns a lot of them. So, Coach USA owns Coach Canada, Bonanza, all of those. Not Coach America. They're totally different companies, so if you know what I'm talking about. So, let's get into it. So, this is the side. The doors move that way, so they open, and then they go that way. They don't go this way as the regular Van Hool buses do. As I noticed, I never knew that. And another thing about the regular Van Hool buses, different the double deck, the Van Hool here, they have these windshield wipers like this instead of up here, and they have some up here that is kind of strange from a double decker, from a regular coach bus like other ones. Like the other Van Hool buses are the same as the other coach buses with, like I showed you the other Academy bus. Let me show you. So, this, too. So, see, those are winch wipers right there. And then the other ones are like that. Just like with the Van Hool. See, these are both Van Hools. But this one, what's different about it? Double decker. And that right there has the winch wipers like that. This Megabus double decker has the winch wipers like that. Van Hool doesn't have any winch wipers up here. Double decker Megabus has some up here. No, Megabus does not make Van Hool buses, if you didn't know. So this is it. So this is like HO scale. Let me show you. So you might think it's like O scale, but it's pretty small, as you can see. Sorry about it. So let's bring it back down. When I bought this, it was FJ model buses. So look that up in Google search. You find not this one anymore. I couldn't find this one. I don't know why, but this is a really nice one. They do have another one like this, but it's just a regular coach bus. I thought this was actually big as my DACO and Academy bus, but I guess it's as small as, it's very small. I didn't know that until I bought it. I'm like, oh, great. Well, the bus something bigger, but I guess so. This is a really nice bus. Too bad it wasn't to scale. It would have been very cool. So, here it is, the front. This is how most Van Hool buses are now. The DACO bus I showed you, that is like a 1990, so I hate those buses. It looks so old. So, nice lights, cool here. I dropped it a couple times, so that's why the mirrors are broken. There was big first, just like my DACA bus. Right here, I actually have 2 DACA buses. I'll be showing you in the next video or whenever. See, they're right there, and then the other part is right there. So let me just. So let's finish off. Sorry, I ran out of battery too. Plus, I scratched my. No, that's too hot. I'm so sorry about that. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Sorry. So here we go, and ran out of storage. So I had to delete the app. So here we go. So there it is. MakeBus.com. Here it is. Nice wheels. Sorry about the cobwebs. See the little like fingerprints all over the place. Nice door, like right there. The light right there is cool. I think that's where the door opens, like that little black button. I'm not sure that opens that. Here's the wheels, they're really cool. Here's the back of it. It is made in China. Really nice one. So,